Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class we discussed some examples and exercise 3.2 some problems we discussed. So now today class will continue with the some examples and same exercise problems in 3.2, and these problems are very important for 5 marks questions. So now you can see here example 16 important 5 marks question. If A is the 3 by 3 matrix, B is the 3 by 2 matrix, C is the 2 by 4 matrix, then we have to find here, question is find A into BC and AB into C. Also verify that A into BC is equal to A into BC. We have to verify this also. So for this purpose, first of all, brackets, what is that we have to finish? We have to multiply. A, B first I'll find, next B, C I'll find, remaining all values, and comparison will make. So very important 5 marks question. So first I'll find the AB. So A matrix we know, B matrix we know. Matrix multiplication we have to use here. So A matrix is 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2, into B matrix is 1, 3, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 2, and minus 1, 4. 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 2 matrix, 3 columns, 3 rows. Then only multiplication exists. First matrix columns is equal to second matrix rows. So then multiplication exists. We have to use the row by column method. So row by column method already we discussed lot of problems. So row by column, first row first column multiplication. What will get? 1 into 1, 1. Next 1 into 0, 0, plus 0, plus minus into minus, plus. Total minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Next 1 into 3 is 3, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. So next simplification, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 0 into 0, 0, plus 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Next simplification, second row, second column, corresponding elements, 2 3s are 6, 0 into 2 is 0, plus 3 4s are 12. Next, third row, first column, 3 into 1 is 3, plus minus 1 into 0, 0, plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Next, 3 into 3 is 9, plus minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, plus 8. So now simplify. Total additions we have to make. 2 here, 5 minus 4 is 1. Next here 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 18. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next 17 minus 2. 17 minus 2 is 15. So you observe 3 by 2 matrix. 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows, 2 columns you will get. Already we discussed this type in previous classes also. Multiplication. AB completed. Now I'll find the AB into C also I'll find. Sir, why are you finding first this one, sir? You can find this also. You can do anything. First I am taking AB. So AB completed. Next AB into C is there. I'll make AB into C. AB into C. What is the AB matrix? AB matrix is 2, 1, minus 1, 18, 1, 15. Next C matrix is. C matrix you observe carefully. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 matrix is there. 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, and 1. You observe this is 3 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 4 matrix. Number of columns is equal to number of rows. So multiplication exists. So how to do the multiplication? Row by column. 2 1s are 2, plus 1 into 2, 2. Next 2 2s are 4, plus 1 into 0, 0. Next 2 3s are 6, plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 2 4s are minus 8 there. Minus is there, 2 4s are minus 8. Next 1 into 1 is 1. Next simplification, similar way, here minus 1 plus 36, second row, second column, minus 2 plus 0, minus 3 plus minus 36. Next, minus into minus, plus 4, 4 plus 18. Very simple, just row by column, corresponding elements multiplication we have to. Next, third row, first column. 1 1 ja 1 plus 15 2 ja 30, 1 2 ja 2 plus 0. Next 1 3 ja 3 plus minus 30, 1 into minus 4 plus 15. So now we have to make the simplification for that one. AB into C is equal to what we will get here? 4, last one minus 7. Next, 36 minus 1 is 35. 36 minus 1 is 35. Next minus 2 here. Next 3 minus 36 is minus 33. Last one 18 plus 4 is 22. And next 1 plus 30 is 31. Next 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 minus 30 is minus 27. And last one 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. So this is required 3 by 4 matrix AB into C. So this AB into C completed. Next BC into, first BC we have to find BC matrix. So what is a B matrix here? 3 by 2 matrix is there. 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4 into C matrix. What is the C matrix here? 1 2 3 minus 4 2 0 minus 2 1. 2 by 4 matrix here. This is 3 by 2. So number of rows columns is equal to number of rows. Multiplication exists. So BC value same way we have to make BC. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Next 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 0 is 0. 1 into 3 3 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Next last element 1 into minus 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Similar way we have to make the total simplification here. 0 into 1 0 plus 2 2s are 4. 0 into 0 0 plus 0 0 plus minus 4. Next 0 plus 2. Next minus 1 into minus 1. 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 2 plus 0. Next minus 3 plus of minus 8. Final minus into minus plus 4 plus 4 into 1 is 4. So BC matrix is what you will get? 3 by 4 matrix you will get. Observe 7 2 minus 3 minus 1 4 0 minus 4 and 2 7 minus 2 minus 11 8. So this is a 3 by 4 matrix BC. BC completed. In similar way we have to find the A into BC. This one try. Compulsory you will get the same answer, that is 4 4 4 minus 7 35 minus 2 minus 33 22 31 2 minus 27 11. This answer also same you will get by two equations. This one take as a equation 1, equation 2. From 1 and 2 A into BC is equal to AB into C. AB into C. So this is verified here. This notes purpose in description box. Link is there. You can click that one. You can see here this step also. Next, example number 17. This is also important for 5 marks question. If capital A is 3 by 3 matrix, capital B is 3 by 3 matrix, and capital C is 3 by 1 matrix, 3 rows, 1 column. Calculate AC, BC and A plus B into C, and also verify that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. This is called a distributive law. So first we have to find these 3 values. After that automatically we can prove this one also. Next, first AC is there. So first I'll find the AC matrix. What is the A here? 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7 minus 8 is 0. This is A, and C matrix is 2 minus 2, 3. 3 by 1 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. 3 columns, 3 rows. 3 columns, 3 rows. So what we can get the result 3 by 1 matrix. 3 rows, 1 column matrix you will get. So now how to do the multiplication? First row, first column. Here how many columns is there? Only 1 column is there in second matrix. So just to multiply corresponding elements. 0 into 2 is 0 plus 6 into minus 2. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Plus 7 into 3 is 21. Next, similar way, second row, first column. Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12 plus 0 into minus 2 is 0 plus 8 into 3 is 24. Next, 7 2s are 14 plus 8 2s are minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16 plus 0 into 3 is 0. So AC matrix is here 9 you will get, this one 12 and this one is 30. So 3 by 1 result we got. This is what? AC. So AC completed. Next what we have to find? BC we have to find. So what is the BC? B matrix is 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 0. Next C matrix is 2 minus 2 3. 3 by 1 matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Columns equal to rows. So the result is 3 by 1 matrix you will get. So observe how to do that one. 0 into 2, 0 plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 1 into 3 is 3. So first row, first column. More any columns is there, we have to leave the space and continue. There is no columns, extra columns, so leave it there only. Next, second row, first column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0 into minus 2 is 0. 2 3s are 6. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 0. So what is the BC matrix? 1, here 8. Next one is minus 2. So this is the BC matrix. Observe 3 rows, 1 column is there. The result verification purpose we can write the order also there. Next, this one completed, BC also completed. A plus B into C. A plus B first we have to find. So what is the A matrix? A matrix is 0 6 7 minus 6 0 8 7 minus 8 0 plus 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 2 0. So addition means same order, corresponding elements addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Next, minus 6 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 1 is 8, minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6, 0 plus 0 is 0. So this is the A plus B matrix. Next, A plus B into C. A plus B into C. So A plus B matrix 0 7 8 minus 5 0 10 8 minus 6 0. What is the C matrix here? C matrix is 2 minus 2 and 3. 2 minus 2 3. So now simplify here. 0 plus minus 14 plus 24. Next, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10 plus 0 into minus 2 is 0. 10 3s are 30. Next 8 2s are 16 plus minus into minus plus 12 plus 0. So what answer you will get here? 10, 20, 28. This is 3 by 1 matrix. This is what? A plus B into C. Next what we need? AC plus BC. This 3 completed, and here observe this one also completed. Left side. Right side AC plus BC is there. I'll find now. AC plus BC. AC plus BC. What is the AC matrix here? AC matrix is 9, 12, 30 plus. Next matrix is BC matrix 1, 8 minus 2. 10, 20, 28. This is a 3 by 1. You observe this one take as a equation 1. This one take as a equation 2. So from 1 implies and 2 implies. 1 and 2 implies A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Why? Because 10, 20, 28. 10, 20, 28. Right side equal, so left side also equal. So this is called a distributive law. Important for 5 marks question. Next, example 18. Very important for 5 marks question. If capital A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix, only single matrix 3 by 3 matrix, then show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I equal to O. Here I is the identity matrix of order 3. We know 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. This one we know already. This A matrix already we know. We can substitute, and we can substitute here I matrix. But here A cube is there. Sir, very simple sir. A substitute here cube. Each and every element cube you have to make. Lot of members do the mistake, that mistake only. Cube means normal numbers not. This is a matrix. Matrix we can't do direct cube. So A cube finding purpose here. A cube we can write as a square into A. Why? Because matrix multiplication follow the rule for multiplication row by column method. If you are doing direct cube, we can't follow the row by column method. So that's why wrong answer you will get. A cube means we can write A square into A. So A square we need. Already A we know. So A square we need. A square means what we can write? A square is equal to A into A. Direct squaring, direct cube, if you are making, wrong answer you will get. Compulsory how to follow this rule. Why? Because matrix multiplication follow the rule row by column. So that's why A square first we have to find. A square is equal to A into A. Then A cube we can find. So now first I'll find A square. A square means what? A into A. What is the A matrix? A matrix already we know. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Next another matrix, same matrix 1, 2, 3. Next 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. So that is also A matrix. Just this is a rough. We will follow that rule. So now row by column method, already we discussed lot of problems in previous also. 3 by 3 matrix, this is also 3 by 3 matrix. Columns 3, here rows 3. So multiplication exists, result 3 by 3 matrix you will get. So now I will make the simplification for this one. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3 into 4 is 12. Next 1 into 2. You observe second row, first row, second column. So that's why leave the space. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 minus 2 is minus 4. 3 2s are 6. Next 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 into 1 is 3. Next 3 into 1 is 3 plus minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. 1 into 4 is 4. Next 3 2s are 6 plus minus into minus plus 4. Next 1 into 2 is 2. Next 3 3s are 9 plus minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 1 into 1, 1. Next, third row first column, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 into 4 is 4. Next, similar way, second row second column, 4 2s third row second column, 4 2s are 8 plus minus 4 plus 2. Next, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1. Next, simplify this one. 18 plus 1, 19, minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. Next, 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. 10 plus 2 is 12. 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 also 8. Next, 10 plus 4, 14. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next, 15. Now you observe this is 3 by 3 matrix. This is A square. Next, similar way we have to find the A cube. A cube means A square into A. So this one, try. A square matrix we have to substitute. A matrix already there. So A matrix also substitute. Just I am writing here solution. Answer A cube answer directly I am writing. You can do this one. And if you need the solution, you can see in description box, link is there, in that notes is there, you can see 46, 69, 69, minus 6, 23, 92, next 46, 63 you will get. This is also 3 by 3 matrix A cube. After finding the A cube, we have to take this LHS part. What is the LHS part here? LHS part is A cube minus 23A minus 40I. So substitute here A cube matrix, A matrix and I matrix. What is the A cube matrix? Just we got this one. 63, 46, 69, next 69, minus 6, 23, next last one, 92, 46, 63, minus 23 into A matrix. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, minus 40I. I, here you observe question is in 3 by 3 matrix, so that's why identity matrix also we have to take 3 by 3. 0, 0, 1. We know already identity matrix of order 3. So now simplify this one total. 63 as it is, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63. No change in the first matrix. Second matrix, 23 multiply, scalar multiplication. Already we discussed scalar, number multiply to every element. So how will get that one? 23 will get. Next 46, next 69, after that 69 minus 46, 23. Next here, how much you will get here? 92 you will get. 23 into 4 is 92. Next one, 23 into 2 is 46 and 23. Next, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. Just 40 multiply inside. Next, what you will get here? You observe 63 minus 23. 63 minus 23 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. 46 minus 46. 0 minus 0 again. Corresponding element subtraction. You can check. 69 minus 69. 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Next, 69 minus 69. So, similar way, all places you will get 0. And you observe here, show that is there compulsory each and every element you have to get 0. 0 is nothing but O. O is order 3, 0, matrix here. Therefore, what we can write? This is RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Finally, we can conclude A cube minus 23A minus 40I equal to O. So this is the way of finding the A cube. A cube compulsory, how to follow this rule? A square into A. A square means A into A. Directly cubing, squaring if you are doing, you won't get the correct answer. Next, exercise 3.2 also having same problems. 15th and 16th, same problem like example 18. Just we completed example 18. Same method and different numbers and different equations here. So these two you have to try. These two take as a homework. And this answers, just the answers I given. What is the A square value? What is the A cube value? I given in description box. In link, notes link. So just I'll roughly explain and you have to simplify totally. I won't give the total simplification, just I given the A square values and A cube values. That means A cube matrices. So now you observe first problem 15. Find A square minus 5A plus 6I. Already I we know identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Why? Because 3 by 3 matrix here. Next, A already we know this one, A matrix also. A square we need extra. Find the A square first, then substitute in this equation, one matrix you will get. That matrix only the answer. So A square how we will find here? A square how we will find? A square is equal to A into A. Already A matrix you know. A matrix substitute 2 times and multiply. Row by column method we have to follow. Next. Very important 5 marks question. This is 16th question. Same similar as a example 18. If A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix, prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I equal to O. Left side we have to take and right side we have to show. I matrix already. Identity matrix 3 by 3 matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Very well we know that one. A. Already A is there. So now we need A square. A square matrix we need. So A square how we will find? A into A. Already A we know, substitute and simplify. A square you will get first. After that we need A cube also. So A cube is equal to what? A square into A. This A square value substitute here. Already we discussed in example 18. Same method. Same way but numbers is different and equation is different. So this A cube value, A square value, here A value, here identity matrix, I matrix. All values substitute in left side, you will get compulsory O matrix, that is order 3 0 matrix or null matrix. So A cube, A square values in description box link notes is there. You can check A square and A cube values only. Simplification not. Simplification you have to do. So by this one, today class completed. In next class, we'll continue the remaining some more problems with then exercise 3.2. So we'll continue next class. Thank you.